You might eat them every day and not realize they're quietly clogging your arteries. These 7 foods can lead to stroke, heart attack, or even sudden death. Hi friends, Dr. Tim Carter here, the cardiologist and professor of endocrinology. Clogged arteries don't happen overnight, but they often begin on your plate. Today, I'll reveal the top 7 artery clogging foods, how they damage your heart, and what to eat instead to protect your long-term heart health. 1. Processed meats. Examples: bacon, hot dogs, sausages, deli ham. They're loaded with saturated fats, sodium, nitrates, and preservatives, all of which increase plaque buildup. These foods are closely related to heart disease and colon cancer. We'd better replace with lean poultry, beans, or fish especially. 2. Fried foods, especially deep-fried items like French fries, fried chicken, and onion rings. They contain trans fats and oxidized oils that damage blood vessel walls and increase bad cholesterol, LDL. We'd better replace with baked or air-fried versions. 3. Sugary beverages, sodas, energy drinks, sweetened teas. Sugar spikes insulin, triggers inflammation, and accelerates arterial stiffness and fat buildup. We'd better replace with water, green tea, or sparkling water with lemon. 4. White bread and refined carbs, stripped of fiber and nutrients. These carbs turn into sugar fast and spike triglycerides, leading to fatty deposits in arteries. We'd better replace with whole grain, oats, quinoa. 5. Margarine and shortening. Often used in baked goods and fast food, many still contain hidden partially hydrogenated oils, trans fats. Even if the label says 0 grams, we'd better use olive oil, avocado oil, or real butter in moderation. 6. High-sodium processed foods, packaged soups, instant noodles, chips, frozen pizza. Excess sodium raises blood pressure, weakening artery walls and promoting arterial plaque. We'd better limit sodium to less than 230 milligrams per day, ideally less than 500 milligrams. 7. Full-fat dairy in excess. Cheese, cream, butter, and whole milk can raise saturated fat and cholesterol levels, especially if consumed frequently. We'd better use low-fat or plant-based alternatives when possible. Now as quick checklist. Foods that protect your arteries: avocados, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, oats, fatty fish like salmon, berries, olive oil. Remember, your heart health is built on daily food choices. Your arteries don't get blocked in a day, but they can be damaged silently for years. Fortunately, the solution starts in your kitchen. If this video helped you identify the dangers, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who still loves bacon for breakfast and fries for dinner. Their heart will thank you. See you in next episode of Heart Attack 101 by Dr. Tim Carter.